How to properly merge two Facebook pages. Now in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can properly merge two specific pages that you do have on your Facebook account. So on the older updates, usually what they do is they go into the second page or the page where they are trying to merge, and then they go into settings, and then from settings they can scroll down and then go into page setup. So it is actually or usually located here. So that feature here is called merge page. But unfortunately, Facebook Meta um, is actually updating their feature time to time. So if it's not available on your end, what you can do is to click on your current account to go into help and support, and then choose on report a problem. In here, just simply follow on-screen prompts and then make sure that you have a specific link of those pages that you want to be merged so that Facebook will be the one to do it for you. And that's it. That's how you properly merge two Facebook pages.